7 people who can shut down the internet. There is a group called ICANN, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, and they have handed out 7 keys to 7 individuals spread across the world, and with those keys, you can shut down and reboot the internet. Now, to understand these keys, first we need to understand some internet stuff which can be quite confusing for some people. Starting with DNS, all the computers that make up the internet are identified via long numbers called IP addresses. But when we want to go to, for example, Twitter, we don't want to have to type in 199.59.148.0, which is the IP address of one of the servers that hosts Twitter. We just want to type www.twitter.com to get to it. So the computer has to translate www.twitter.com into the right IP address. For translation, it asks the operating system, which maybe it knows. But if it doesn't, it asks something called a recursive name server, which also maybe it knows. But if it doesn't, it asks of the world's 13 root servers, which send you to the appropriate top-level domain server. In this case, the one that runs all the .coms, which send you to the right authoritative name server. But you need someone to administer this whole system. To make sure, first of all, that the IP addresses are handled well, and more importantly, to keep everything secure so people can't come in and mess with it. So the DNS is authenticated through a system called DNS SEC. We are going to get to their mystical internet keys soon, but first you need to understand how DNS SEC works. The first important idea is asymmetrical encryption, which involves a private key and a public key, which are long numbers and are linked mathematically. The public key is a number everybody can know, but the private key is very secret and only held by one entity. And this is what's important. With a private key, you can make something called a digital signature over a document, and it can be originally identified to a person with a private key. And that is how DNS is authenticated. The information saying twitter.com is 199.59.148.0 is signed by Twitter using their private key, and then our computer uses Twitter's public key. The problem is we have to be sure that Twitter's public key, off of which this analysis is based, is also legit. So Twitter's public key is signed up by a higher authority, the top level domain server who runs all .coms using their private key. But to know that the public key is legit, it's signed by an even higher authority, up and up and up, until it's signed off on by ICANN, the non-profit mentioned earlier, using a single private key. Every single website's IP address in DNS is ultimately secured by ICANN's single public and private key, which is called the trust anchor. In fact, you can even look it up on the internet. Now, the numbers that make up the private key that secures the whole DNS are stored on hard drives inside physical boxes called hardware security modules, or HSMs for short, or H for shorter. And there are 4 of them kept in pairs in ICANN stations 2,500 miles apart. One in Culpeper, Virginia, and one in El Segundo, California. Once you get past the armed guards and pin pads and card scanners and biometric security stops, to get into those physical HSM boxes that hold that secret number, you need several smart cards, and those smart cards are kept inside other boxes, which can only be opened with physical keys, which are finally held by 7 people across the world. The key holders aren't world leaders or anything, but just security experts designated by ICANN. You can look it up who these people are. Should DNS ever be compromised, 5 of the 7 key holders would have to go to an ICANN facility use their keys in what's called a key ceremony to get to the smart cards, then use those smart cards to physically open the box with ICANN's private key in it, and use those to shut DNS, and with it much of the functionality of the internet down and reset it. So did you find this video interesting? Please let us know in the comments below. Also like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.